So we're going to work on this problem. This involves inverse functions. And as we have discussed in the past, we're going to set it as follows. And these are square brackets. I know it doesn't show very nicely there. So I'm going to say this is equal to theta. Now, of course, I do acknowledge that theta has to be on the right half. And this is what I mean. Theta has to be either here or here. Okay. The circle you see on my right is a circle that's the upper half is cut into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did 7 come from? The denominator. Okay. And then we'll try to identify the value of theta. That's our goal. Now, from the definition of inverse function, we can say this, of course, theta is in a certain area, which is the right half. Now, the question that I ask myself when I see a problem like this is as follows. Let's first identify negative 4 pi over 7. It has to be 1 pi over 7, 2, 3, 4. It has to be here. Okay? No. That can be the right answer because theta is in the third quadrant. Theta has to be in the right half. Now, in this quadrant, tan of anything is positive. Okay? And tan of anything in the first quadrant is positive, or tan is positive in the first quadrant, however you want to say it. So how do we decide what my answer is? So let's do something a little nicer. Let's put this guy here. Okay. Now the answer cannot be negative 4 pi over 7 because that would put theta in the wrong quadrant. It has to be here. Okay, nowhere else but here. Why? Take a look. I'll try to explain it to you as follows, okay? Now, right here, the x coordinate of this pink point, I'm going to call this the pink point, is negative this much, whatever this may be. Okay? And the y coordinate of the pink point is this much. And let's make it a different color. Make it pink. Now, copy this. It's negative, but I can put it here, and I can take this line and put it here. Take a look. These two triangles are congruent. And in the case of the green point, both sine and cosine, or the x and y coordinates, are both positive. So that'll make tan positive. Not only that tan is positive in this quadrant, it has the same value as this, except for the sign. So my answer is this. Now, the upper half was cut into 7 equal slices. So each has to be pi over 7. So it'll be 1 pi over 7, 2, 3. So the answer is theta equal to 3 pi over 7. That's our answer. And it has to be written properly. Negative 3 pi over 7 is not going to be correct.